Hi, this is Kristen Reed from Graphic Arts Magazine, and I'm here at Print 09 show in Chicago with John Bracken from Kodak. John, what do you think your company is best known for in the industry?
Well, I think one of the powers of Kodak is actually the breadth of our solution. So we cover everything from providing solutions to help enterprise marketers become more efficient and more effective in their marketing to improve their return on marketing investment, all the way through the supply chain, through workflow, through computer to plate, through digital presses, all the way out into the press room. So that's really the power of Kodak, is the breadth of our solution.
What products and services have you brought with you this year to Print 09?
Well, we've used this opportunity to really not so much talk about the iron, the metal involved in the solution, but really talk about the business aspects. I think what printers need today is a partner to help them grow their business, and that's a focus on their customers' needs, and it's around applications and it's around solutions. So we're taking this opportunity to really reset the agenda. It's not about the equipment, it's about the solutions and their business solutions.
And how do your products and services help your customers build their business and improve performance?
Well, I think the three key things. First one is education. We're running a free series of webinars from here to the end of the year to help customers understand some of the opportunities that they can bring. There's some really interesting NAPL stuff which says, successful companies don't define themselves by what they do, but what their customers do and how they can help them. And I think that's a really key thing. So the education is the first thing. The other thing, through the Market Mover Business Development Services, we're actually providing expertise and knowledge and people to individually identify the customer's needs and help them develop that business plan. And we work through a series of partnerships to bring in expertise to help them, and then the investment to provide a solution that's well integrated and highly automated within their production facility to help them execute on their business strategy.
What's your company doing to help printers become print service providers?
So I think we go even further than that to marketing service providers, because I think if you look at the traditional business, it's a custom manufacturing business. You take a quote for work, you figure out how much it's going to cost to build, and then you do a cost plus. I think in print service provision, you're starting to move up the value chain. You're starting to become a fully integrated and perhaps even a strategic partner in your customers of providing sort of integrated supply chain management. And the next level is this marketing services, where you're starting to get involved in the strategy development of your customers and looking at what they want to achieve. And a great example of that is around sort of campaign management, and we've got tools and services here around integrated campaign management. How we take them ever up that value chain, which is not only good revenue growth, it's also higher margin revenue growth. So really we see this as a potential transition for many of our customers, printer to print service provider to marketing service provider.
What's Kodak doing to become more environmentally friendly?
Well, I think generally, right the way across the portfolio, we're looking at ways we can lessen the environmental impact of what we do. I'm responsible for the software development group out in Vancouver, and we've really tried to focus on solutions that have strong return on investment for our customers, but also save them waste, save them time, save them materials in the process, which of course lessens the environmental impact.
What's the main factor that you think is leading your company to survive through these tough economic times?
Well, that's a challenging question. I mean, I think the things for us is really on margin and growth. And our margin and growth is completely aligned with our customers' margin and growth. So we're developing solutions that help our customers really compete effectively in this changing market. And people talk about tough markets. I mean, I think it's an opportunity market. I think for the companies that really identify their strength, can develop a business plan to pursue their opportunities, and it's all alignment with their customers' business, then they will be successful and will come out of this growing high margin business and growing. And we're developing the solutions and the services to help them achieve that. And of course our success is tied completely to their success.
What is your company looking ahead to in the coming year?
Well, this year, like any other year, we're really focusing on how our strategy helps our customers. So I don't think there's some major changes this year against any other year.
Thanks very much for your time, John. This is Kristen Reed from Graphic Arts Magazine.